Forgot your iPhone passcode and now you're locked out? There are several ways to regain access to your iPhone, depending on your iOS version, whether you remember your Apple account password, and whether you have access to a computer. In this video, we'll show you the official Apple methods first, and then introduce another option using MagFone iPhone Unlocker. Before you begin, keep in mind that most methods for removing a forgotten iPhone passcode will erase the data currently stored on the device. If you have an iCloud or computer backup, you may be able to restore your data afterward. Let's get started. Method 1. Use your previous passcode. Did you recently change your iPhone passcode but can't remember the new one? If you're using a supported version of iOS, Apple provides an option to use your previous passcode for a limited period after changing it. After entering the wrong passcode several times, look for the Forgot Passcode option on the lock screen. Tap it, then select Enter Previous Passcode if the option is available. Enter your previous passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to set a new passcode. This can be the easiest solution if you recently changed your passcode. Method 2. Use Forgot Passcode or Erase iPhone. If your iPhone is running a supported version of iOS, you may be able to reset the device directly from the lock screen. After entering the wrong passcode several times, your iPhone may display an iPhone unavailable or similar security lockout screen. Look for the Forgot Passcode or Erase iPhone option, depending on your iOS version. Tap it and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to enter your Apple account password to confirm the reset. Once the erase process is complete, your iPhone will restart and display the setup screen. You can then set up the device again and restore your data from a backup if one is available. Method 3. Restore iPhone with a computer. If you don't see an option to erase your iPhone directly, you can use Apple's recovery mode. You'll need a Mac or Windows PC, a USB cable, and an internet connection. First, connect it to your computer while holding the appropriate button to enter recovery mode. The exact button combination depends on your iPhone model. For example, on most newer iPhones, connect the cable while holding the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Once your iPhone enters recovery mode, open Finder on a Mac. On Windows, open iTunes. Select your iPhone and choose Restore when prompted. Your computer will download the required software and restore the iPhone to factory settings. Method 4. Erase iPhone with Find My. Another official option is to erase your iPhone remotely using Find My. This method can be useful if you don't have immediate access to a computer. On another phone, tablet, or computer, open Apple's Find My service and sign in with the Apple account associated with your iPhone. Select your iPhone from the list of devices and choose Erase this device. Follow the instructions to confirm the erase. After the process is completed, you can set up the iPhone again and restore your backup if available. Keep in mind that this option depends on your device and account settings, including Find My being enabled. So, what if the Apple methods don't work for your situation? Or perhaps you prefer using a dedicated computer program instead of going through several recovery steps manually. That's where MagFone iPhone Unlocker can be another option. Method 5. Use MagFone iPhone Unlocker. MagFone iPhone Unlocker is designed to remove different types of iPhone and iPad screen locks, including forgotten passcodes. It can be useful when you can't remember your screen passcode or your iPhone has become unavailable after too many incorrect attempts. To get started, download and install MagFone iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Launch the program and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. From the main interface, select Remove Lock Screen and click Start. Next, you'll need to put your iPhone into recovery mode or DFU mode. Don't worry if you don't know how to do this. MagFone provides on-screen instructions based on your iPhone model. Once the iPhone enters the required mode, MagFone will detect the device information. After the firmware package has been downloaded, click Unlock to begin removing the screen lock. Keep your iPhone connected to the computer throughout the process. Once the process is complete, your iPhone will restart and you can proceed with the setup. Remember that removing a forgotten screen passcode may erase the data on your iPhone, so make sure you understand the data loss implications before proceeding. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.